Mango oats smoothie recipe for weight loss. 3 tablespoon rolled oats. 1 teaspoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds. You can also use flax seeds instead of pumpkin seeds. Please subscribe to my channel. Soak for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, please press the like button. Wash well. If you like my video, please like, comment and share with your family and friends. Today I'm using mango, but if you don't have, you can use any fruit. 1/4 cup of mango cubes. 1 small banana. 2 dates for sweetness. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Take a blender. Put all the ingredients into blender. Pour 250 milliliters of low-fat milk. Blend all the ingredients very well. Pour into a glass. Drink this smoothie as a breakfast. It is highly nutritious which keep you full for a long period. Mango cubes. Almonds. Thanks for watching.